Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to send out a bunch of masks. I have all these masks to send out to family and friends, mostly family right now. We'll see how many I have, and then I'm waiting for interfacing to make more because I'm using, so this is 3 layers. So there's, the outer layer is linen, and then I have a middle layer of non-woven interfacing that's kind of like a filter fabric that I'm using because the linen tends to be kind of porous and is not as dense a weave as some of the cottons that are out there, but linen is what I have, so that's what I'm using. There's a wire here on the nose, so that's up for here. This is my little extra thing I've added, is a wire here that kind of keeps it away from, because it's collapsing in when you're breathing, which I noticed happens with these. The wire has, I don't know if you can see, so the wire has like, it's a little loop at each end, so that makes it, when you're on the inside, that'll give you something to hold on to and adjust, and it also keeps from poking you in the nose. And so then the other thing is that there's a cotton cord, and this has a sliding knot, and so that slides like that, and so that's how you adjust it and keep it on, because there's no elastic to be had anywhere in the country. And interfacing, turns out I ended up having to order from Amazon, and I just got a notice that it's coming from somewhere else, so it's in customs somewhere, so I don't know where the interfacing's coming from. So you start off by putting it on, bring it up here, hopefully you can hear this, around your chin, and then just line this up like right along here, get the back cord straight, and then you have to figure out which cord to pull, but then get your adjustable, so that's your adjustable cord back there. And so this is around your chin, this is up over your nose, then there's the little wire there, and hopefully talking, that's going to keep it from, that's doing okay there. So that's how it works. So then you've got the one here to adjust, and then this one here, and then when you go to take it off, make sure it's kind of lined up here, take it off there, and that's it. So there, you can wash them in hot water and then put them in a hot dryer. So it's linen and cotton. The inside is an organic cotton. The linen this is indigo dyed, so linen's already antibacterial, and the indigo is kind of a good thing like that as well. So that's it, and hopefully that'll get you started, and we'll get these sent out today. Okay, that's it. Bye.